Hello, it's AliMECH. I got crashed. I was waiting for the green light and a car hit me from the back and hit me to another car. I think he forgot to brake. Maybe. So the damages: bumper popped out, a big dent on a hood, and from the back, some wrinkles on a rear bumper. We can take care of that with a heat gun. So for the hood dent, I will try to use dent pulling kit. So let's begin the intro. Here's what we're gonna need: a heat gun, machine polisher, dent pulling kit, rubbing compound, not a sponsor but it's a good stuff, alcohol for removing hot glue, and hot glue gun. I would say it's 80% better than before, but if I want to make it better, I have to order a special tool to push the low spots behind the panel without creating a high spot. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.